Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very grateful and thankful for you guys. Oh my goodness, your support always warms my heart, and honestly I don't know how I can thank you guys for the support you're showing me, but let me tell you, I appreciate every single second you take to view my video. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your loved one as much as you can. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So to start the second round, I start part from middle line and apply some shine and jump gel, but you may use any kind of gel that works for you. Then I'll be using rubber band to secure all the section. So after I divided the middle section, the rest is more easy because I just follow the first line. So every section I make sure I put in between the previous line, and this is how the line looks like. I'll be using color 1B. This is Mali hair I ordered from online. Sadly, this hair don't have any tag, but this is Mali hair, so each section I'll be using 2 strands of Mali hair. So I roll the hair at the middle to make it easy to pull it using this crochet hook. Then I make sure the hair they are even, and then I crochet it again on other side. Before I crochet it, I make sure I roll mid of the hair to make it easy to pull the hair with crochet needle. So after I pull my hair out, the first thing I do is I make sure the hair they are even to avoid one side of strand to be shorter and other to be longer. If you worry like your hair will show out, apply some gel so that it will be easy to hold your hair well. And then you may decide to split your hair into 2, or your natural hair goes in one section. Then start make twist from up. What I'm doing here is I make sure I roll the hair before I make twists. Roll, then I twist, roll and I twist. And what I find from this hair, guys, this hair is so light and it's very easy to hold it. Even if you're a beginner, try to do any kind of style using this small hair, then you'll come to thank me, because this hair does not slide, very easy to hold, yet it's very light. So I twist till end of the hair, then I pull one section of hair a little up to stretch the hair. Then I take small section which I'll be using to secure this hair, and I secure 2 times. And you may see hair moving all direction, up, down, back and front, so it's very easy to style in any way you want. And at the same time you cover your rubber band, it means your rubber band will not show out using this technique. So guys, let me show you again like how I normal part my hair, because a lot of people have been asking me like how I part my hair. So today I'll be showing you guys like what I normal do. First of all, I make sure I have 2 mirrors, one front and back, to guide me to make section in back. And after I section the first time, I'll pass up with a little bit of shine and jump gel. Then I'll redo it again to get neat and clean section. Every line when I make section, I make sure every section I make in between the previous line section. So after I make sure the section is in between the previous line section, then I apply some gel and use rubber band to secure the section. So every new line, the previous section will guide me to make section with new lines, because I follow the previous line section. Then this is how the section looks like, guys. 2 strands of Mali hair. I roll middle, then I crochet 1 piece first. I make sure the hair they are even, then on other direction I crochet another 1 strand. And after I pull, the first thing I do is I make sure the hair they are even. I apply some gel, just help me to hold my hair well. Then middle strand will be the one I'll put my natural hair. Then after I hold well the strand, then I'll start make twist. Roll, make twist, roll and make twist. This will help you to get even twists and nicely. Because if you twist without roll, you'll find one twist is bigger than another, so your twist will not look nicely. But once you roll and twist, you'll find out your twist come out neat and clean. So I twist it till end of this line. And guys, if this technique does not work for you, I have another technique that you can use without crochets. Yeah, if you don't have crochet needle, no need to stress yourself like to start to try to find where to get. Let me show you how you can braid even without using crochet needle, and your hair they will also come out nicely. But before I show you, let me show you guys first on how I braid my back section, because it's a kind of a little difficult, but at the same time not difficult. So I crochet the hair the same in 2 different directions, 2 strands as I did in front. Before I crochet, I make sure I roll the hair just to make it easy to pull the hair out. Then I make sure the hair they are even, and my natural hair goes in 1 section, because after crochet here we are making only 2 strands. So my natural hair goes in 1 strand, and then all the way I start to make twists. And I find using this technique my hair does not show out, and at the same time these twists come out very nicely, guys. You'll see end of this video like the final result. Then yes, you'll tell me in comment section like what do you think about this hairstyle, because maybe I might see they come out so nicely, but you'll see in different eyes. I don't know. So guys, tell me what do you think in comment section. Okay, so here I take 2 strands with my natural hair, then I wrap 2 times. After I wrap, I start to make twists. My natural hair goes in 1 section, so here I'm not dividing my hair. I start twist all the way. As I said, if you feel like your hair will be easy to show out, just apply some gel. That can help you to hold your hair in well, and you can keep your protective style even more long time. Then I keep twist till end. I use the same method to secure. Just take small section, then I secure 2 times. And you may see the hair moving all direction. Just seems like the method of crochets. You can style any style you want, because your section they're moving in all direction. And guys, here I almost done with this hair. So this is the last section. I can't wait to show you final results, guys. So you see, I hope the more you watch you understand more. every section here, I'm not dividing the hair, goes in different strand. Means one strand I hold together from right to left, then I hold them together and I start to make twists all the way till down. And this method, as I said earlier, this method does not show rubber band. You'll cover your rubber band does not show out, and at the same time, guys, you'll get protective style that you can keep 1 month, 2 months, depending on how easy for you to keep your protective style. So after I finish braiding, I go ahead and I trim off all excess hair, and at the same time I make sure the braiding they are even. So after I trim excess hair, I make sure all the hair they are even. And guys, guess what? This is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. You can style this hair all style you want. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to share with your loved one as much as you can, guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye bye.